forgiveness? Why does he specifically say hasten towards forgiveness? What is this trying to tell us? This is trying to tell us that don't think after you've committed a sin that you can just place no effort and you're going to get forgiveness. No. If you want forgiveness, what do you need to do? You have to hasten towards it. You have to put in some effort. You can't continue going on the same speed. For example, I am someone who listens to Dua Kumail every Thursday. I've committed a sin. What do? Well, I'm going to Dua Kumail anyway, so it will all be sorted. No, because that Dua Kumail for you is not extra effort. That's something that you are doing anyway. Now you've committed a sin. You need to hasten towards maghfirah. You need to do something which comes about through effort. Please recite a salawat. So what does that mean? Okay, we need to put in some effort, right? Al-Khamnai compares maghfirah to the filling up of an empty hole, right? Maghfirah is the filling up of an empty hole. He says, look at it from this way. When you commit a sin, it's like you've stabbed yourself, right? Taken a knife and you stabbed yourself. Now, if you do not put in any extra effort, you have a big wound right there. If you do not put in any extra effort, you just, okay, I have a wound there. Or the only effort you put in, for example, is like you just kind of go like that, right? Is that wound going to heal? No. You need to clean the blood properly, you need to disinfect it, you need to wrap a band-aid around it, or a plaster, I'm not sure what they call it in Denmark. And then after a couple of days, you need to open it up again, then you need to clean it, disinfect it, and then wrap it up again. You need to put in that extra effort. That's what sinning is like. Like once you've sinned, you can't just not put in extra effort and expect it to just heal, right? No, you have to put in that extra effort. Another example that he uses is that of a car. You are supposed to reach this destination in 1 hour. On the way, you decide that you're going to go to the service station and you end up spending 15 minutes there. Are you still going to reach that destination in 1 hour if you continue going at the same speed that you were going before? No. You have to put in extra effort. You need to go quicker. You need to make sure you don't do any other stops for you to be able to reach that destination in that 1 hour. That's what maghfirah is. It's that filling up of that empty hole. It's that healing of the wound. It's that reaching that destination at the time that you were going to, that you were supposed to.